Check out this 2013 Chevrolet Malibu Lieutenant. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: steering wheel audio controls, rear defrost, CD player, passenger illuminated visor mirror, remote trunk release, 4-wheel disc brakes, and security system. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.